Hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and we are in Garden 9, and I'm showing you now a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here in our virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are in Garden 9, and I'm showing you a very nice and well-appointed 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. It's a corner end of terrace unit, as you can see here from the views. This is actually the view from the main, from the lower terrace towards the garden number 8, the car parking here, and garden number 9. Beautiful, no? It's actually 17 degrees today. It's sunshine, blue sky. There was the odd cloud over there up there, but that's more or less the only cloud we had today. Otherwise, it was a beautiful day. And as the days are getting longer now as well, we're looking into a nice afternoon, evening now. So, we are here today in a virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes Costa Calida in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, and I will not entertain you any longer here with the views. And let's go and have a look at this wonderful 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm just entering this place. It's a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. Hi, Darren. Yes, blue sky today, beautiful. Okay, we're coming back to this apartment. I'm just showing you the living room with integrated kitchen. Hi, Agatha, how are you? As you can see, it's fully furnished and equipped and ready to move in or to use it as your future holiday home. The apartment is equipped with all necessary items like television. We have a kitchen here with fridge, freezer, with washing machine, as well as oven, cooker and extractor fan. And a very important asset is also the drinking water filter here, which is quite an asset because this is really providing decent and high quality drinking water and saves you to buy plastic bottles, carry them from the supermarket to here. It's all already here. This doesn't mean that our water is not drinkable. It's perfectly drinkable, but it has sometimes a chlorine taste, which is just due to the fact that we are in the southeast of Spain and the water is just getting too warm, so they need to treat it chemically. Hola, Jean-Marc. ¿Qué tal? Aquí estamos. This is now the electric water heater. There you see the microwave below. And just to give you an idea, this would be the view from the kitchen into the living room and dining area. As you see out there, there's a small table with chairs on the lower terrace, and we will soon see the rooftop terrace. Okay, we said we have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and just let me show you quickly, not only Rupert, that's not the most important, but the most important here is the master bedroom. As you can see, bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, and the place is fully furnished to quite a good standard, I would say. The massive mirror is my big friend, as you know. And we come to the 2nd bedroom, as well fitted, furnished, ready to move in, with ceiling fan, and as well fitted wardrobes. But as well, the bedrooms have a fantastic view overlooking the lemon groves. Difficult to show, we will see it better from the rooftop terrace. There we go. Just let's move out again here, turn around, here we go. 2 bed, and we are missing now the bathroom. Here we go. This would be the bathroom. As it's an end of corner unit, we do have as well a window in the bathroom, which is quite handy. And as you can see, it is fitted to a very good standard, I would say, and is sold fully furnished. Talking about selling, obviously you will find this apartment under the reference 3484 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And the asking price is only 66,000 euros, but we've been told by the owner that they will listen to reasonable offers, no doubt about. Going back, we are still in the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment brought to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com in our weekly virtual open house today in Garden 9 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the apartment 1008. We are just outside at the bottom terrace again. Well, bottom terrace to say because there's a terrace on top of it, but we are on the first floor. And as you can see, it's an end of terrace. Just let me turn around here. So to show you the end of terrace situation, here we go. So this would be the view then from the lower terrace, but I'm talking about the big terrace. So just let's walk up here. Now this would be the private staircase leading up to the roof terrace or solarium, which is of the same size as the apartment itself. So we are talking about nearly 60 square meters of apartment. A little bit windy up here, so I hope that the microphone is working properly and there's not too much distortion. This would be the view now from the roof terrace onto the lemon groves. Starting soon there will be a fantastic smell of the blossoming lemons. And the terrace is really quite a big terrace to say. We won't stress again that you can swing the tiger up here, but yes you could. Just showing you around here. This is now the dimension of the terrace. So there is enough space for barbecue, for sun lounges, and even here for a set dining table. And just let me quickly show you as well the community pool, which is in walking distance. I would say 2 minutes walking, just down the staircase. And there we go. That's the way to the pool. Maybe to your pool in the future. Beautiful, no? The pools are actually under maintenance, which is a good thing to do because they need to be maintained every year. And that's actually just happened. So we have seen now the roof terrace. So let me walk down again. As I said, it's a private staircase. You find this property under the reference 3484 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. And you're today in one of our virtual open houses presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are based on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the southeast of Spain, in the lovely region of Murcia. We are also called the Costa Calida, the warm coast. And actually it's quite okay and warm today. We have, as I said, nearly 17 degrees today, blue sky all day long. And this is really worthwhile thinking about it. So we are going back into this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the market for only 66,000 euros. As I said before, the owners have already signalized that they will listen or have a look at any sensible offer coming in. The property is sold as seen. Excuse me, is sold as seen, and you do see pictures and also a virtual tour on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. 3484 is the reference, 66,000 is the asking price, and Rupert in the mirror does not come included. Here we go again. We are in the master bedroom now, and maybe I hope you have seen the views from upstairs. But here we go again with the views from maybe your future master bedroom of your apartment in the sun. In Spain, southeast of Spain, in Murcia. Also, this room is equipped with ceiling fan, with fitted wardrobe, and sold as seen with all furniture, decoration items, you name it, we have it, it's all in. This apartment is ready to move in, or ready to use as a holiday home for you, for your friends, for your family. This is an ideal spot. Asking price is only 66,000 euros. And on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you find this under the reference 3484. But you will find there many other properties, so just have a stroll through our webpage, and I'm sure you will find the apartment which fits best to your likings. A nice, yeah, but I don't have my teddy bear here, and my teddy bear said he doesn't want to leave my bedroom, so sorry. Yeah, true, the teddy bear. We'll think about it, Darren. We'll have a think about it. Okay, back to this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the lovely region of Murcia, southeast of Spain. On site, for those ones who don't know, we have also a commercial center with supermarket, restaurant, bars, hairdresser, furniture shop, even an estate agent is there, Quality Homes Costa Calida. So you're well supplied on site with all necessary items. Isn't this great, this view? I really love it. Just showing you again here the views. And as you know me, I'm always keen on views and all that, because this makes also life in Spain, because many times it's rather living outside than inside. And as we said, we have the small terrace here, and we have the large roof terrace. We are between garden 8, which I'm just showing over there. This is the car park. In this garden, and in all gardens from 1 to 13, each property has its own car park, which is marked, so to make sure that whenever you come to your apartment, you will have your car park available. Yeah, it's a great apartment. So, how far from the beach? Well, I would say about 25 minutes we are on the beach. For cycling, this is perfect. There are so many people here, cyclists, who really enjoy the area, because there are many things you can explore from here. In case you're rather a mountain rider, just go up to the Sierra Espuña. In case you rather prefer it flat, well, Spain doesn't have a lot of mountains now, so you can imagine that, yes, this is quite a very good area for cycling, no doubt about it. And we have many cyclists also on site. There we go again. We are still in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Mohammed, the walking distance to the Alcazar, I would say, is about 10 minutes, 12 minutes walk. Bicycle maybe 3 or 4 minutes. We are on a virtual open house today, presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com, and I'm showing you a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Garden 9. Asking price is only 66,000 euros, which is negotiable. The apartment comes as seen with all modcons, television, washing machine, you name it, we have it. Ceiling fans, not to forget, this one for example. Orientation-wise, it's difficult to say because the roof terrace has sun all day long. The apartment itself has rather a western orientation, so you do get sun in the afternoon. But as we said, as the roof terrace is there is no lack of sun, it's rather the other way around. There might be even too much sun for some people. I'm just showing you now the bathroom. As we are an end of terrace, we also have a window in the bathroom, and otherwise bathtub and all other sanitary installations necessary. The second bedroom is this one. Also fully furnished, equipped, fitted with ceiling fans, fitted wardrobes, and as well, beautiful views overlooking the lemon groves again. You're welcome, Mohammed. No problem. Okay, so on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this apartment under the reference 3484, where you also can find a virtual tour, so you can walk through the property again through our 360-degree cameras, and this is really a very nice place. Also, I would say easy to let, so also in case you think of renting out your holiday home whilst you're not here, I think this would be a nice rental as well, honestly. So the pool, I've showed you the pool already, I think, from the rooftop terrace. It's just round the corner over here. Well, we can hardly see it now. We can hardly see it. Yeah, but it's there. I promise it's there. It's actually under maintenance, but it's there. Trust me. Trust your agent. Ian, this place has no air conditioning and can be fitted in case necessary. Cost would be around 650 euros for the living room. So this should be more than okay. There we go. So, virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. On our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this apartment under the reference 3484. The asking price is only 66,000 euros and is even negotiable. So for those ones who want to make a quick decision, I think we can provide you a great deal. Yes, from Calpe about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, depending on which way you take. 2-bed, 2-bath, fitted kitchen with washing machine, oven, cooker, extractor fan. Most important, as we said before, the drinking water filter, which is a very handy thing. We have it in all our houses. We always put a drinking water filter in there. It's really good. It saves money, saves work, and is also environment friendly, as we don't waste any plastic bottles. Okay, showing you again the bathroom. As we said, end of corner, additional window. Walking distance to bars and shops, I would say 10-12 minutes walk. You are at the Alcazar commercial center. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes by bicycle, maybe 2 or 3 minutes by car. We are in the master bedroom of a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the lovely region of Murcia on the Costa Cálida. The resort as well has a Jack Nicklaus signature golf course, where we hope that it will open soon again, as due to the lack of tourists and people on site, they had to close it down for the moment, but they're still doing full maintenance and can open the golf course at any given moment as soon as the numbers of players is allowing to open again. This place is sold as seen, so it has already been prepared by the seller. So whatever we see on our viewing, for example, the dining table here, this all comes included in the asking price of only 66,000. Offers welcome. Well then, I think this was the show for today. And now, where do we go next? What will be our next venture? Can we tell this already, or?
Next week is the 18th. Yes, next week we will probably be doing a 3-bedroom apartment.
Next week we will.
Since we haven't shown you one, and we're missing.
Exactly. Next week we will do a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the ground floor. So it's just. Thank you very much.
Wait a minute till this
Yes.
has gone past.
So there is actually some building work going on around the corner, so there's a little bit of a noise. So we do go next week to a 3-bed apartment.
It will be a 3-bed apartment to be determined. We have 2 candidates, and it will be determined at the beginning of the week which one we will do.
Okay.
The week after will be something very special.
The week after, I know already, will be very special, but we will not talk about it. In 2 weeks' time, we will present a very special property also on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort.
But say hot tub.
Next week, you only say hot tub. Oh, you're giving already a hint. You're giving a hint to the hot tub.
Teaser on our Facebook from a couple of weeks ago.
Yes, there is a teaser as well on our Facebook page, where you can see the teasing pictures already when we talk about the hot tub. So you will see. But next week, we will see a nice 3-bed ground floor apartment. I won't say anything else. You will be informed. So stay tuned, please. Get yourself registered on our newsletter. Take care that you really get also our notifications. We are live again next week, Thursday at 5 o'clock Central European time, 4 o'clock in the Canaries and in the UK. I wish you a pleasant week. I wish you a beautiful weekend. We are looking into 21 degrees on Saturday and Sunday. So I don't want to rub it in now, but it's what it is. So enjoy your week. Happy days. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.